So here I am in front of the Salish Sea on Galiano Island, where I love to be inspired, and the natural colors play with the light so that they vibrate and excite me to put on my canvas. I'm going to try a larger piece here. It's always recommended to go big from the small plein air paintings and try a bigger brush and use lots of paint. And even the sound of a larger canvas can be quite a lovely rhythm in the works, and the way that the brush moves across with the movement of the light. And so I'm going to try a lyrical expression of the landscape here on this piece today for you, and hope to bring you some vibrant color to enliven your hearts as I get excited to bring to life the colors of the landscape here on this canvas. Wow, what a beautiful day. Low tide here just presents so many linear repetitions of the sandstone, and at first it's looks just brown and green. So I am putting a nice burnt umber into the painting right now, and then bringing a little warm golden light to it with quinacridone gold, or I think it's just to get that little highlight there. And if I'm thinking about the primary colors, this is my yellow, and it'll be brightest in the foreground. I can even get a real yellow, and that's a lemon yellow, just a few little highlights of warmth there. And then I can bring in that green. So I'm just going to actually bring it across the ocean like that too, because it just seems to be playing out all across the space here. And it sort of curves across the sandstone like that. Just to carry that big brush across, just carry it across the canvas. There's no need to do a lot of detail to begin with. If you're a realistic painter, even the undercoating can be all the different vibrant colors, and you can even start with an underpainting of perhaps like a red, and then come across with the opposite dark green to darken it. But I often like to leave this initial gestures just because they have such lovely color play. And so here's that repetition there. So that's what I can place there. And let's get this blue landscape in the background. It's kind of a transparent. Well, let's just see what this looks like. Now that's kind of a cerulean blue there. Well, that could be in the water, but I'd like to get what kind of blue back here. Okay, let's get that. There's a landscape back there. So there's this little glow of light over the water here. I'll try to get that. A little bit of blue sky coming down here. And let's get that highlights here. And here comes the water, just eases its way up as the tide comes forward, and bring it in this way. And I'm enjoying the gestures here. There's this lovely highlights in some of the tide pools. They're just lit up by the sun. And there's little waves that are splashing against some little rocks here. And there's this awesome blue amongst this coming in here. Teal marks. You just see all of these colors. If you squint, you see the values, but if you open your eyes wide and really look at the color comparisons, you'll see that some are a little bit more red, some are a little more blue, and so that's always fun to try to get that gesture in there. So there's a little play of waves there, little shapes there coming in, and of course then there's a splash. Some soft edges, some harder edges. I do like this strong play of abstracted brush strokes. That part I like. And we'll just carry some of this over. And are we almost done there? So I'm just going to add a few more little touches here, smooth that out. I'd like to get some bright highlights here with the warm tones. Bing, bing across the dancing light, and then I think it's a matter of just appreciating the breeze, standing back, enjoying the colors, and being thankful for the day.